The Crocodile and the Monkey.
On the Ganga's greenest isle lived Kurub the crocodile, greeny brown with gentle grin, stubby legs and scaly skin. He would view with tepid eyes prey below a certain size, but when a substantial dish, dolphin, turtle, fat of fish, swam across his field of view, he would test the water too. He'd glide a floating log, silent as a pearly walk, nearer, nearer, till his prey swam a single length away. Then he'd lunge with smiling head, grab and snap and drip it dead. Then prime pleasure of his life, drag the carcass to his wife, lay it humbly at her feet, eat a bit and watch her eat. All along the river bank, mango trees stood rank on rank. All his monkey friend would throw to him as he swam below. Mangoes gold and ripe and sweet, as a special summer treat.
Crocodile, your wife, I know, hungers after mango soup. Then she'd pine and weep and swoon, mangoes less in burning June.
Then Kurub the crocodile, gazing upwards with her smile, thus addressed his monkey friend, dearest monkey, in the end, not the fruit, but your sweet love, showered on us from above, constant through the changing years, slakes her griefs and dries her tears. This was only partly true. She liked love and mangoes too.
One day, Mrs. Crocodile gorged on mangoes with a smile, sad yet tender, turned and said, "Scaly skins, since we've been wed, you've fulfilled all my every wish, dolphins, turtles, mangoes, fish. But I now desire to eat an anniversary treat, something sweeter still than fruit, sugarcane or sugar root. I must eat that monkey's heart. What?"
Well, darling, for a start, he has been so kind to me. Think how sweet his heart must be. Then the mango pulp he's eaten, ear on ear must serve to sweeten. Further yet each burr and part, concentrating in his heart. Darling, he is my friend.
I know, and he trusts you. Therefore go at once and fetch him here. Oh, my breath grows faint. I fear.
Fan you, it's the heat.
No, I long for something sweet. Every fruit is bitter now. I must heat his heart somehow. Get him here, my love, or I, filled with bitterness, will die.
When the monkey saw Karoo, he let out a joyful whoop, jumped from branch to branch with pleasure, flinging down the golden treasure. Eat, my friend, and take your wife, nectar from the tree of life. Mangoes ripe and mangoes real, mangoes, mangoes everywhere.
Then Kurub the crocodile gazed up with a gentle smile. Monkey, you are far too kind. But today, if you don't mind, dine with both of us and meet her whose life you have made so sweet. When you meet her, you will see why she means so much to me. When she takes you by the paw, something at your heart will know. When you gaze into her eyes, you will enter paradise. Let us show our gratitude, share our friendship and our fur food.
Dear Karoo, dear crocodile, you can swim from isle to isle. I can leap from limb to limb, but, my friend, I cannot swim. And your islands far away if I get a boat someday.
Nonsense! Jump upon my back. You are no heavier than my sack. Filled with mangoes to the crown.
Clamber down, bearing mangoes, delighted with such warmth to be invited.
They were just halfway across when the crocodile said, "Toss all those mangoes in the water."
But these fruits are all I.
You yourself are gift enough, said Korope in accents gruff. Well, my wife, not so
Gracious!
and I am certain that today she won't eat fruit. By the way, tell me what your breast contains. Mango nectar fills your veins. Does it also fill your heart?
Said a monkey with a start. What a very curious question.
While she might get indigestion if it's too rich, I suspect.
What?
Your heart.
My heart?
Correct. Now Korob said with a frown, which would you prefer, to drown in the Ganga or to be gutted by my wife and me? I will let you choose your end. After all, you are my friend. Then he slowly started sinking.
Wait, the monkey said. I'm thinking. Death by drowning, death by slaughter, death by land, or death by water. I faced either with a smile, for your sake, O crocodile. But your wife's felicity, that's what means the most to me. Noble lady, how she'll freeze, damp with sorrow, when she sees, having pressed my ribs apart, that my breast contains no heart. If you had not let me go, I'd found the time to go to the hollow where I keep heart and liver where I sleep. When I sleep, half my brain a fingernail, cufflinks chutney and spare tail. I'd scarcely woken up when you asked me here to sup. Why did you not speak before I'd fetched them from the shore?
Now Korob the crocodile lost, then quickly found his smile. How my sweetheart will upbraid me. Monkey, monkey, you must aid me.
Well, the monkey placed his paw thoughtfully upon his jaw. Well, although the day is hot, and I'd really rather not. Back, fetch my heart.
So the crocodile once more swam the monkey back to shore, and with tears of thankfulness mingled with concern and stress, worried what his wife would say with regard to his delay, begged his friend, "Come back at once."
I am not such a double dance, yelled the monkey from on high. Tell your skilly wife to try eating her own waked heart, if she has one, for a start. Mine's been beating in my breast, night and day without a rest. Tell her that, as for you, here's my parting gift, he threw. Mangoes squishy, rotten, dead, down upon the reptile's head, who, with a regretful smile, sat and eyed him for a while.